Okay, guys, let's start. Or shall we wait for others to join? We just waiting a little bit more for Carlos, Mitch, Lauren, and others. Carlos and Mitch are on their ways. Are you feeling good? What's up? I mean, didn't you heard the earthquake?
I heard about that, but we didn't feel. It's so far from here.
Mm.
Yeah. Uh, uh, yeah. It's I'm so sad for people affected by the earthquake because it's very cold at the moment.
Yeah.
Istanbul flights are canceled mostly because there is thunder. It's so cold. It's snowing. It's crazy, it's so windy, and it makes the situation worse for people.
I start with myself. Good morning, good evening, everybody. Love to see your faces. And we're gonna have a sync development meeting. My intention for this meeting is just to review the task in the board, try to clean it more, and also set deadlines. To be honest, we missed lots of. We don't have good delivery this week, so we obliged to get, to set some deadlines and finish the features that we have on the pipeline. And another intention is that I want to review the task of the design team because there is plenty of a task there, so we're gonna prioritize it. I don't have any distraction, and I pass it to Lauren.
Everybody. Yeah, my intentions for the call are really honestly just to hang out and be along for the ride and see where I can help out. I'm distracted by just getting started for the day, and I will pass it to Ali Reza.
Thank you, Lauren. Hello, everyone. My intention for the call is to hear updates about notifications and also homepage. And I have no distractions. I pass it to Mohammed.
Hey team, sorry, I was distracted by reviewing a PR. I want to talk about the board, about cleaning the board, and talk about the issues. I was distracted about by reviewing a PR, but I will postpone it to after the meeting. I pass it to Cherry.
Thank you, Mohammed. Hello, guys. Nice to see you all. My intention for the call is to talk about the homepage, notification, and PFP collection. That's all. I pass it to Ramin.
Thank you, Charik. Hello, guys. Today, mostly I was busy with some issues that Mariam raised, and I'm here to talk about our plans for the next week. I don't have any distractions right now. I pass it to Mo.
Hey everyone, I'm here just to sync up with everyone and see how we can clean up the board and how I help. And Yeah, no distraction. I pass it to who's left? Sorry, I don't.
Me. You can pass
Oh,
it to
okay,
me.
but
Yeah. Hello everyone. I had some stuff to do today, so I wasn't totally available, but I spent some time on fixing the dependency issues on the impact graph and fixing the issues with the uh, 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 um, yeah, the tests that were automatic, the PR that were automatically generated was not working. My intention is to, yeah, see the roadmap, what's the priority for next week, and find some tasks for myself. And yeah, I'm not distracted. I pass it to Maria.
Thanks. My attention in this meeting is on the notification center and the homepage task, and I have no distraction. And I pass it to Mitch.
Hey there. My intention this week is to keep working through the PFP collection and also hopefully come around to the nice token minter this week. Apart from that, nothing else. I'll pass it on to Ramin.
Yeah, I already went.
Sorry,
Ooh.
I pass it to Mateo.
Sorry, yeah, there's. Thank you, Mo. Hey guys, hope you have an excellent week. From my side, I'm not distracted. I am interested in working particularly on the Shamevine integration when the design is ready. I am planning to do some session testings with Carlos, that the backend is already done. On the Fiat, I want to integrate Mount Pelerin. I'm waiting for some design from Tosin. I already discussed that on Friday. And we are ready to set a testing branch for the Spanish translations. We are over 70% coverage. So I think it's time to start doing that with them. Yeah, I have a couple of designs still to do about the new design on the homepage. And yeah, that's it. I'll pass it to Franco.
Hello, everybody. Intentions for the call is just streaming. I'll be streaming this call, and distractions. I just not feeling very well today, but yeah, and yeah, I'll pass it back to you, Monique. I think that was everybody.
I think Iris, did you went? Did you go?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Franco. Hope you will get better soon. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the board. I hope every of you can see it clearly. So these are the issues these are the epics that I think the notification center, new homepage, Fiat exploration, Giveth referral program, Giveth PFP collection, internationalization, and this duplicated Fiat thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 issues at the same time in the progress. It's not actually they're not issues, they're epics. So that's the problem. So I'm worried, to be honest, because we did not finish the things that we already started. We still want to take new epics. So I think we have to get more focused on the things that we have and try to deliver it first. So for these three that I ordered them by the priority, by the date of start actually. I have to say the internationalization, I think we started before than the Fiat. Prioritized by the priority. According to the token like this beautiful thing, Giveth referral program is the at the top. So then I think the fiat and but this new homepage, I just want to have your attention to these issues. For example, custom banners and filters and corresponding to comms campaigns. This was included in new homepage, and also the project discussion. These are active forum posts, and please take a look, comments, because we have to create issues out of it soon. And this project activity feed also included in the new homepage. So these 3 or 4 issues will be in progress or be closing. That if we finalize these issues that we have in the pipeline, we soon will have plenty of time to go ahead. So I just want to
Your audio is going a bit
first
crazy. I don't know
for
if
this
that's me.
meeting habits of the blockers.
Yeah.
I turned
You want
off
someone
my
to help you
video. I
stream?
hope. I think I turn off my video. It could help for saving the
All right, let's try it.
bandwidth. Can you hear me well?
Yeah,
Or,
better.
okay, so let's continue. Okay, for this meeting, I just want to filter these issues and then follow up things to for the purpose of having a delivery, at least this week. So I start with the new homepage. If I filter this epic based on the issues, so this one intro block, I think this intro block. Mo, do you have something to add on this issue? Because I can see that 5 days ago you put a comment here.
Yeah, I mean, the only thing that I can add is that we need the illustration from Rotary, and Stefan is actually working on the Stefan, Corey, and Lauren. I think they're all working on the copy, and um, the copy is actually getting there. It's almost done, I guess. Lauren, can you give more updates, maybe? And and for the illustration, I think by tomorrow maybe we can have something from Rotary.
Yep, we're working on the
Okay.
copy and have a meeting with Mo also after the governance call today, just to kind of like go over any things that are there. But yeah, I hope by tomorrow we have it.
Okay, so let me just take it back to the design. Just for for more heads up, and also for this one, I think about give economy and partners. These two are in the design, so I think it's okay right now. This one, for this issue, project activity block, I think for this one, I have to relate this one to this issue. So this issue is in the backend. I think, Mohammed, we had a conversation about it, so it's related to this front-end issue. If you remember, we had a talk about it, that it's, we need the kind of property in the project's updates that we make them awesome. So they're getting featured somehow by the admin, so we can filter them. But the query should contain all the data that is needed for the project's card. if we take a look at the design here, project activity. So this is the awesome project update. So we have the project card here, and we have the updates right there. And admin should select some of the project updates as a kind of featured. So we should add a property there. For example, is featured or not in the project activity. Is it clear for you? Okay. And go ahead, Mohammed, if you want to say something.
No, I just wanted to confirm that
Okay.
it's clear.
And I don't know who's responsible for the bank front end, but Sherrick, I think you usually take a look at this. We have a read more button here, sorry, link, and I don't know that is it possible that we redirect the users to that specific update in the project page. It should
I
go
think
to the
yes, I think yes, we can do it because each project updates, each project has only once featured updates, yeah. So it can be easy to scroll to the.
Actually,
We can
to be
scroll
honest,
to the latest.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Latest feature for a specific project if you have two for.
Yeah.
So this should I assign the backend one that is in the impact graph to you or Carlos? Muhammad?
Please assign it to both of us. Both of us can do that.
Yeah, that's
Teamwork.
fine.
Okay. So this is campaigns backend support that I know that Mohammed is working on it. We have two open PRs here. So I move from it. We have one here. There is a new header. So Sherry, I'm sure that you make it done.
Yeah, I did it. It's new header. Yeah, it's done. Just I think something remains, and it's about the trending projects and some stuff like this. And because of that, I didn't move it test.
Okay. So would you please write the blocker, CA? Do we need a query for the backend for the trending?
Yeah, we have two menu items there. One trending and another is popular, and I didn't know what's the difference and and do we have
To be
the
honest,
queries or not?
yeah, yeah. To be honest, the reasons that I put them to just it's possible just showcasing the design side. But I guess they only need to show one of them, trending or popular, because they're basically the same thing. Um, I think we can go ahead with trending.
So what was trending then? I think that we have something that we show trending in project single page that we show that this project is going to have a kind of progress in the rank of the give power. Is it that?
Yeah, exactly. It can be just based on the give power ranking, and if a project gain a lot of give power, then we can assume that that's a trending project, and I mean, basically, it should be just a sorting option to put in the project screen, and then add the link to the header to just give user a shortcut to get there.
Mm, I really want to have the others' idea on it, especially Lauren. We can bring a kind of trending projects as a link up there in the header. We think that the trending means the project that has the most progress during each round for having more boost. Is it okay or enough, or should we consider other things like the number of the donations, the more likes, or something else?
Um, from my side, if we can actually consider all of them, maybe just I don't know, maybe just the amount of donation, that would be more interesting. That's what I'm thinking. But like you said, I also like to know what other think about this.
Okay, let me just assign it to myself then and remove you. I think this is not the project. This is not the issue. This issue should move to unit test passed. Where's the here? But then no header here. The wallet. I think we have another issue for it. It was reward menu. The project menu. I think that was project menu. Am I right, Derek? Where is the project menu? Search screen, project submenu. Here it is. So I just want to, you don't have a picture here, and it's hard for me to open up the Figma right now, but I try my best to show it to you and have the uh, ideas around it. So for information, we're talking about this link, trending. So Mitch, Lauren, I mean others, do you have any idea about the query of this link?
I don't think that exists. Like, I don't understand.
Most ID believed that it was the most trending boosted projects during a round, like what we have in the project single page.
Most
Basically,
boosted project during a round.
yeah. For example, we have the trending option in the single project page in the give power. We show you that this project, for example, have 3 progress in the rank. Will we have 3 progress in the rank? For example, that was not accurate at all, but we had something. But if we
I
can
don't think this is really clear.
Mhm.
And so you're probably just making it more complicated by trying to add it in.
Mhm.
We if you aim for you aim for distinguishing a trending project by comparing its uh, power boosting, how much power boosting it has received, and more what the one you want to show the projects with more recent power boosting. one way around is to comparing their future power with the current power, compare these two together and see which one receive, will have
Like,
more power in the next round than this round. It's one way, but it's not accurate because someone may have, someone that has boosted the project may get more power recently. So it doesn't mean that it's trending. Sorry, Mitch, go ahead.
I just think this needs to be thought through a bit more, and like it's like
Exactly. Yeah.
trending and popular. Like we're just adding a lot of extra work by trying to figure out what that means on the fly. So
Yeah.
might be
Yeah.
easier
Yeah.
to do less and then add it in later once we have a clearer idea.
I I I guess it's also worth if we just define a new issue and we can just call it how we can recognize a project as a trending project. So everyone can share their idea, and then finally we can reach out to something. I mean, finally we can actually find something to um, recognize a project as a trending. Because that's basically it's not related to the header. I mean, it's
Yeah,
just shortcut there, and the it should be discussed somewhere else, I guess.
yeah. It'll be
Okay.
easier to add it in later than try to figure it out now
Yeah,
and
yeah,
block
exactly.
everything
I
else.
agree. Yeah, I agree.
Okay. So, Cherrik, this one project update, I just assigned it to myself. So, what's the blocker for it? I think we can put it in the unit testing. Am I right?
Project update?
Sorry, new menu, project submenu. Shall I put
No,
it here?
because no, just bring it back to the in progress because we had to do something in front end
Okay.
because we don't have
Uh,
the direct link to for example, popular projects or something, some other
So,
feature.
assuming that we remove the trending and the popular for now.
Yeah, most of them. Okay, so we can. So just let me remove them, and then you can
Okay.
put it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about this search screen?
Wow. I think it's in progress. Maybe I should ask someone to complete it because I'm totally busy with PFP collection.
No, you just comment and tag me and I missed it.
Yeah.
Here, what you said. Also, I need to know we want to have a lot more functionality here. Don't have any design for showing the result. What's
Yeah.
the problem? I can't get it. Sorry.
Uh, I remember the problem. We opened a full screen modal for it, and when
Mhm.
user search something, if there's, for example, a few results, it's okay. But if user search for a keyword that has, for example, 1,000 result, what should we do? We should implement the load more. We should implement the. It's not working yet here. Yeah. But
Mhm.
my question is, we gonna add pagination, or load more, or because I think it's like a duplicate functionality. We had the same search in the
Cherry,
projects page. Yeah.
sorry, man. Sorry, I guess when you search something here, I'm sorry about that. I actually had to include that in the um design documentation to point it out, but um I when a user search something here, you just need to I mean, show the results, show the search result on the current search results screen that we have. You don't need to create another page because it's just a duplicate, and it just I mean, uh, this screen is just for letting user to type something, and then when they tap on search, they will actually go to the search result, and there they can
with redirected
see
to the
all
projects
everything there.
page with
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly. Because that's just for searching for through the project. It's not searching through anything else. It's just for the project. So it makes sense to just show the same um, project search screen.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
So I just commented, I mentioned you here, Mosaidi, but I think that Sherrick is happy with that.
I can comment out that on the issue also if that's needed. But yeah.
Okay,
Thanks, man.
thank you. So what about this project updates? I think this one
Yeah,
is being
this
blocked by the
feature.
backend.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me make it blocked. Add dependency blocked by awesome. I just added blocker and get it back. So can you start the the draft page, or just the skeleton without the
I just implemented it. It's done, but it's remaining just integrated with the backend, but the UI is finished.
Okay, so just let me just put all of them in the sprint backlog, and we decide to finalize all of them during this week. So, and also for these custom banners, I think it's got blocked by the campaign's backend support. So if Mohammed finalized these two issues and the impact graph, guys, you can easily see that it's related to the impact graph. This one and this one. Impact graph number 856 and 806. So okay. And this one, notification menu, notification new menu, blocked by merging notifications of. I remembered. Let me get back to the sprint backlog. And feature projects block. So this is the featured projects, and I think it's related to the also the backend. So this one is also blocked by the campaigns block. So I have to turn back then. I don't know what this one doesn't have high priority. Okay, so we have lots of blockers here. And this one, new menu, we talked about it. I think it's good that we put it in progress. So let's take a look at what we have in the unit testing. US stats. Lots of discussions here. There was a wrong caching option for the homepage queries. I'll fix it. So Mariam, you have to take a look at it again. Also this one, why Giveth block? This one also blocked by the above issue. Latest donation ticker. Mariam should confirm it. So it's a right place. Rewards menu. I didn't see any change based on this Figma. Who's the owner? Cherik. I think Mariam had an issue about it. Would you please take a look? It's
Yeah.
Okay, this one has been passed in the testing. The new header as a whole. I really love that most ID also take a look at the design for the design QAing. So I just sent you the branch most ID. I think that you're aware of it.
Yeah, okay.
And this video block. Well, also this video block, I think we get blocked. We implemented it, but we cannot merge it to production because we need video. So if you need other issue about it on the comp side, Lauren.
Yeah, Corey's working on this. It might take a little while to do though, because it's like gonna have to create a script and record and work with a producer to put it all together. So I would imagine it's gonna take like a month to make the video. And also, she was gonna try to get some footage at ETH Denver, so it would be like after that. Maybe we can just put something in there as like a temporary sort of placeholder thing.
Yeah. However, it's ready. Which video that you send us, you know, we can go live, or even we can hide the whole block.
Or maybe we hide the whole block, because I guess we could put one where like Griffith's talking. I don't know. I'll take a look at it and I'll let you know, Monique.
Actually, I think it's better to hide the whole thing. Just put a temporary video there, just to see how it look like, and then later, I mean, it doesn't need to be visible in the public website.
Yeah, we did it, and are also IAM approved it as a done. So these are the done issues. So I think we don't have any two of the issues or three of the issues blocked by the content things. These issues are related to the backend improvements, backend support. Then we can finalize also these issues. And we don't have anything. These issues also for Mary Jeff to take a look at them again. And we spend lots of time on this
Sorry,
issue.
just
Go ahead.
an idea. Can we have a label or a list? I don't know, something. Just call it, for example, waiting for content, waiting for copy, and then when it's basically when it's technically developed and done, we can just put it there and don't populate the whole backlog. Maybe just an idea.
I
Because
think I added the content.
Yeah.
I added the content label here, if you can see. These two.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I didn't see that.
No problem. And also for the video, I think I can add something. Label with the video. Where is it?
Content, technically. Just
Video
call it
block.
content.
Yeah, it's just a reminder for me to be aware of it before going to live. Okay, forget it. Let's move to other issues that we had. So can you hear me? Hear me?
Yes. But I can't see the screen.
The sharing option. Can anyone helping? me share their screen for the Zen home board.
I'll share mine.
I'm just trying to load it now. Wasn't there?
Oh, okay.
What am I supposed to show? Or Nick, you're muted if you're talking. I don't know.
Would you please share the Zen hub board? Not this one. No, in
This
the
is
Zen
the-
hub domain.
Oh my god. I don't even know what that URL is.
Okay, select the repo, please.
Here it is. Oh, someone beat me to it. Amin's got it. Okay, I think this is the one though. Work.
Yeah. Would you
All
please filter the repo? Please open the repo filter. Yeah. No. The repo tab up there. Repo, yeah. Deselect the give economy. Deselect all except impact graph V2 and roadmap. Yes, please select the roadmap.
All right.
Yeah. So let's go to the notification center. Would you please? I think we need another repo that is named notification repo. Sorry, if you can select it one more time.
There's a repo called Notification Center.
Yeah, notification. You can search about it. Yeah, this one. So would you please filter, go to the epic of notification and click on the filter epic by the big button in the notification center, filter by epic issues.
Filter by epic issues. Oh, okay, here.
Yeah, thank you. I'm really sorry about this. So we have lots of issues here. Create notifications for when the project you boosted loses verified status. This one, all of them are in the impact graph, as you can see. And I think, Alireza, can you elaborate it? What you're blocked by the backend? We have a talk today about it.
Yeah. In the tabs section, we need another filter for the liked projects. As you said, the project the user liked, give a receive notification when they receive a donate or something else, as far as I remember. So we need a new filter for filtering these notifications.
So I hope you guys get it, what Alireza mean. We're supposed to add a tab up there for the supported projects. So we need to filter them by the notification that's related to the supported projects. This is one problem. And for the copies, also you said that you're blocked, and there is a. What was the problem exactly?
No, for copies, I'm not blocked. I did them, and I was just waiting for the filter to make it ready for review. So there is no problem in copies.
Did you send it to somebody specifically, Carlos or Mohammed? You sent it to Mohammed?
Which issue? The new tab?
Yeah.
No, I didn't send it to anyone.
So the issue number is sorry, Mitch, for this. The issue number is 2040. So if you don't need to search about it. For the project activity that was assigned to Ali Reza, I guess, and it has lots of issues there, but to be honest, it's not that clear, the problem. So I think I have to have a meeting separately for these issues because I'm aware of all these issue situations. And if you remember, Cherik and Mohammed, I just sent and issued the final copies to you that was provided by the Lauren. And I was asked that I have to move it to Impact Graph or V2, and you guys said that please leave it in the notification center. People. So did you find a chance to take a look at it, Mohammed? No. So what should we do then? Prioritizing?
You know, I want to finish the homepage web services first. I think you said last week it's the most priority issue. But it's almost finished from my side. I need some help from Cherik, but the backend side uh, is a little lighter. So if you want it, I can jump to change the topics.
Okay, let's review the chain vine first. Then, if I figure out that Carlos can assist, I just assign it to Carlos at the same time. If you're okay. So Mitch, I think my
I can
problem
help
is
them, So I have bandwidth, I can help them. So what?
very good.
I think we need a design because these kind of events can overlap with each other. We should design it in a good way. For instance, if you have a project that is updated and also you have liked it, boosted, so you will receive 2 notifications. That's not desirable. And maybe we should think deeply about it, that how we can manage the whole events and have more parameters in the events that we are generating. That's my problem.
Mitch, thank you. I think my problem is solved. Can you guys confirm that you can see my screen?
Still loading for me.
It's still loading.
Continue loading.
Yeah, no, we can't see anything. It's just loading.
I share my smaller screen. I think
It's
it
working
should be.
now. It's working now.
Yeah.
You can even reduce the frame per second.
Yeah, on web, I have problem with these parameters. So, okay, for these notifications, I think I have to manage this. I don't want to waste the time of this meeting on it. But I'm gonna have a meeting tomorrow with you guys to finalize this. So this is the open PR from you, Mohammed. So if I want to just summarize the copy fixes and also the queries, this is the only thing that left. So it is not going to be a very big deal. I think that we can plan to merge it as soon as possible into staging. But let me just manage it tomorrow. And let's move to chain wine and the referral. Carlos, I think you are done with that. Am I right?
Mohammed just did some review to the code, so I merged his changes and the backend. I'll test it now again, but it should be ready. They last week fixed a bunch of errors they had in their API, and the admin panel is also fixed by them. Yeah, so backend side wise, it's basically done. Just gonna do some final
Okay.
testing.
Shall I move them, or this is the right place for these issues? SDK, I think you installed, and I think it's on the UAT. What about this modify chain dimensions with the blockchain? I think this is not, it was not necessary.
Well, it was reviewed. I guess we have to unit test it, but Mariaf cannot do anything right now until the front end is done, so only I can test it.
Okay, I just put it in the UAT. What about this? Configure chain one, I need to redirect.
Well, they fixed the issues, so I guess that's also done. So yeah, UAT QA. They left the option to change the redirect URL, but I told them that's bad UX. But they told me to just let them know if he has to disable it, but that it's no problem. So I think it's fine for now.
So we just have two issues for the front end: implement the referral the landing page, and also implement the code snippet for grabbing address from chain one. I think both of them are blocked by this design.
Just to give you an update, I'm working with Ahmed on this issue. I think by tomorrow I think it will be done by tomorrow. I just reviewed the design with Ahmed, and I just need his final confirmation, and then I can just leave the all of the design documentation on the issue. Tomorrow is done.
Okay. So I think we're good with this one. So Carlos, what's your workload? Can I ask you to jump into the notification center stuff for this week?
Yeah, I have bandwidth.
Thank you. I will get. Now I want you to a meeting then. So. The epics internationalization. Good news. From the metal was that we're gonna merge it soon. This week or next week. Go ahead.
I will be doing that branch today as we have over 70% coverage. And I think with the translations team, we'll be doing like a round going through the whole application and see if the context of the translations makes sense still. So there is nothing like lost in the middle of the translation, or if we should do some Spanglish or combination of wording. So I'll be planning a meeting for that for this week and get as many Spanish talkers to review that. And increase the coverage with time. Like, let's not do it instantly, but eventually we will have the 100 coverage, and then we can announce it. So this way we can still make progress, and the context won't get lost, because that's the most difficult part so far.
Okay, what about this issue on the design, UX design of the changing language to the English in regions that they use Spanish? Did it have progress?
No, so far we decided to go with the default. Like, if your browser is in Spanish, it goes with the Spanish. If it's the location is somewhere in Spanish, it would go with that. But we still have to give it as an option on the footer or something. With Tosin, I haven't discussed that, but I will talk to him. I think I have a meeting with him in a couple of hours or tomorrow.
Sorry,
Thanks for reminding me that.
sorry to interrupt, Matteo. I will add that on to the footer, because I actually I'll talk with Tosin about that, and I'm going to just put a switch on the footer so user can change that. Just Monique, mention me on the issue. I will take care of it.
Thank you, Mo. That's perfect. A switch is consider that maybe in the future we will have more languages, so it's not only going to be a binary option.
So are you sure that you want to merge it without this option? Maybe we can discuss it later.
Sure, but I will still have the branch ready, and I will keep updating it. So it's no problem. Let's keep it, because remember, it's not fully done. It's 70% coverage, but we'll start doing that. So I can add the toggle when Mo have it ready.
So what about this item in the backend? Query responses and notifications. I doubt that you do anything for the notifications. But for the query responses or errors, did you have any progress?
Carlos made some of those. We have to send the header that's working already, but I'm not sure what's the coverage on those error handlers in the backend. So I will be taking a look as well, because maybe there are still some missing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that there are a lot.
But yeah, I remember working with Carlos like a month ago on that, and we did some testing and it worked properly. But I need to check on the strings, on the messages.
Okay, I mentioned it here. Sorry guys, we're top of the hour. I think that we have to say goodbye. Thanks for your attendance. And if you have any concerns or comments, I'd love to hear it now.
Thank you, Monique.